Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello friend, let me introduce myself. My name is WAHYU Denny Firmansyaah. I am new student majoring in mechanical engineering. I am class 14. In this video, I will share a little story about my daily life. From the morning until the evening, I refresh a guy. The story began on Monday at 4 o'clock in the morning, where I woke up to get ready to take a shower and pray at dawn. After everything was finished to exactly 5 in the morning, I went to work. Why does it have to be at 5 in the morning? Because the journey from my house to my workplace takes approximately 1 hour. I work at PT Tirta Fresindo Jaya 2 Pasuruan, Mayora Group. I work every day at this place. The first shift is from 6 in the morning to 2 in the afternoon. After I get home, I usually immediately head with homework. On weekend, there is a holiday, I go to campus. I work at PT Tirta Fresindo Jaya 2 has been running for more than a year. I am a coconut production operator. Here the work system is divided into 3 shifts: morning, afternoon, and evening. And the holidays are also used on Sundays. Sometimes they are full, but I am very happy to be able and study because of when we work we need money, we could do to college we need knowledge is what will make it possible to be better. That's my story. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.